Have you ever wondered if using SoFi comes with a hidden cost? People often ask, does SoFi charge fees? Let's dive in and find out. SoFi is a popular financial technology company that offers a range of products and services from investing to personal loans. But like any financial institution, it's important to understand the costs involved. In this video, we'll break down the different fees associated with SoFi's products and services. SoFi Invest. Investment fees. SoFi Invest is a commission-free platform, meaning you don't pay a fee when you buy or sell stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Other fees. While there are no transaction fees, SoFi Invest does have some other fees to be aware of. Account inactivity fees. If your account remains inactive for a certain period, you may be subject to a fee. Foreign exchange fees. If you invest in international securities, you may incur foreign exchange fees. SoFi Money. Cashback rewards. SoFi Money offers cashback rewards on your purchases. However, these rewards are not considered income and may be subject to taxes. ATM fees. SoFi Money does not charge ATM fees for withdrawals at Allpoint ATMs. However, if you withdraw from a non-Allpoint ATM, you may be charged a fee by the ATM owner. SoFi Loans. Interest rates. SoFi loans come with competitive interest rates. However, the exact interest rate you'll receive depends on various factors, including your creditworthiness. Origination fees. SoFi loans typically have an origination fee, which is deducted from the loan amount. This fee can vary depending on the type of loan and your credit profile. Prepayment penalties. Some SoFi loans may have prepayment penalties, which are fees charged if you pay off the loan early. SoFi credit card. Annual fee. SoFi credit cards do not have an annual fee. Foreign transaction fees. SoFi credit cards do not charge foreign transaction fees. Other fees. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your SoFi Money account, you may be subject to an overdraft fee. Late payment fees. If you make a late payment on a SoFi loan or credit card, you may be charged a late payment fee. As you can see, SoFi does charge fees for certain products and services. However, it's important to compare these fees to those charged by other financial institutions. In many cases, SoFi's fees are competitive or even lower than those of traditional banks. If you're considering using SoFi, it's essential to carefully review the fees associated with the products and services you're interested in. You can find more information on SoFi's website or by contacting their customer service. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.